Hi guys and welcome to Liam's Tech Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to add an Amazon Echo Dot to your existing setup if you already have an Echo or an Echo Dot or any of the Amazon Echo family. This is the same process as if you're setting up for new as well, I believe. So first things first, you need to plug in the micro USB end into the back of the Amazon Echo. Once you've done that, you then need to plug the full-size USB into the plug and plug it into a socket. Once it's plugged into a socket, you will then be greeted by this sound from Amazon to let you know that it's booting up, and as soon as the orange light starts rotating around the rim of the Echo, you'll know it's ready for pair.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
So, once it's ready for pair, you need to download the Amazon Alexa app, and that can be downloaded from the App Store if you're on iOS or from the Play Store if you're on Android. You need to go into the Amazon Alexa app, you need to let it load, and then you need to go into settings. As you can see with my settings, I've got the lounge and the study. They're not actually Echoes, they're just smart plugs that I have, and they set up as new devices for some reason. But as you can see, I've got a lounge Echo Dot and I've got an office Echo Dot, and they're both online. So to set up a new device, you simply click set up new device at the top. I am setting up an Echo Dot, United Kingdom, and what you need to do is connect to Wi-Fi. So connect it to Wi-Fi. Tells you here about the orange light. Once it starts going around the circle, as you've seen, mine is already doing that, so press continue. You need to connect the iPad to the Echo Dot. So to do this, you need to go into the settings on your iPad. You need to go to Wi-Fi, and then you need to go to Amazon AE8. Yours may be different. This is just the code that's been given to my one. So just click on that. So you could hear a beep in the background.
You've connected to Echo Dot. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app.
So it notifies you that it's connected the iPad to the Echo Dot, and you need to finish the setup in the Alexa app. So go back to the Alexa app. It tells you it's connected to the Echo Dot. Press continue. Select your Wi-Fi network. So I'll just select mine and then enter in your password. Then once you've entered in your password, just press return and then press connect. So it prepares the Echo Dot for you. It does take a couple of minutes to go through the setup. So as explained in previous videos, this is the Echo Dot second generation. So it has slightly better speakers, slightly more microphones, and a slightly different layout. So it's the same setup procedure for first generation and second generation. So yeah, just follow these instructions and you should be fine. So it's just finishing up now. It's just got to the end bar, but it does take a little while still to complete. And there we go. Now setup is now complete. It's connected to Wi-Fi. So I'll just press continue. It's now asking me about if I'm going to connect it to speakers. So I do have a Sonos system within the house, so I don't need to connect it to Bluetooth speakers. I don't need to connect it to audio cable because there is an audio 3.5mm at the back. That will be if you had something like a Bose Sound Mini Link or something like that, or a Beats speaker. So I'm just going to select no speakers. And just to test that it's working, click the top left 3 buttons in the corner, go down to settings, wait for it to load, and there you can see it says Liam's third Echo Dot. So I'm going to rename that by pressing the little arrow on the right hand side, go down to general, and then you can see device names, so just edit that and think I'll just change this to bedroom because it's going to be in the bedroom. And now when I go back, it just shows bedroom online. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.